Hello, my dear student. Welcome to my channel, Science and Vikya. Today, I'm here to tell you the new thing about the QSAR. As you know, what is QSAR? Any idea? QSAR is Quantitative Structure-Activity Relationship. Fine. We'll start with this. Okay. Do you have any idea about what is QSAR and what is QSSR? I'll write both uh, terms here. Sorry. Yes, this one. Okay, what is QS? One is QSAR, the first next is QSSR. Do you have any idea what is the difference between both? Which term we use in which field, which term is used we use in which?
Before moving further, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share the video. Now we start.
Hello, my dear student. Welcome to my channel. This is the first task for the computational chemistry or the bioinformatics. Here we deal with the different type of structure and we discuss how we relate the structure with the activity. For example, if I change the carbon with any other atom, nitrogen, generally we replace the carbon or any other atom with the BIOINFORMATICS of the same. Fine. What is the relation of that structure with the activity? We'll discuss that. Before to that, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share the video. Now we'll start. Firstly, I'll start with the ChemDraw because with the help of ChemDraw, we can draw any structure. If you still like a doubtful to draw any structure, please do visit my channel. I have uploaded a number of videos how to draw the structure and the basics of the ChemDraw. Everything I have mentioned there. Fine. Okay. Uh, this is for the introduction of the QSAR, how we formulate the QSAR, and how you can use the open source link. Like there are n number of the website or the web server. With the help of that, you can formulate or you can develop the QS. Right? Okay. Now, do you have any idea about QSAR and QSSR? SAR means quantitative structure activity relationship. QSSR is quantitative structure similarity relationship. In that, do you remember in the graduation time, generally we do similarity index. Like we have to mention this new drug, how much similar to the existing one, or what is the relation between the both. Right? Now we can do all these type of study with the help of computational. Okay. Mm, these are the two terms. If you still have any doubt, please do mention in the comment box. Or you can drop a message on the Instagram or the Facebook. On the Facebook, I have one close group that is a computer ready drug design. You can join that and enjoy the number of researches by the number of scientists. There are several scientists and we share our expertise with each other. You can join that. Okay. And one more is quantitative structure activity relationship. Uh, yes, structure similarity relationship. In that, we have to check the similarity index of the one compound to the other one. That is a QSSR. Okay. Before to that, from where QSAR is generated? It is generated from the SAR. Do you remember in the medicinal chemistry? Generally we do the drugs, then their IPAC name, then their dosage, then physical chemical property, and after that we need to discuss their SAR. SAR mean, for example, if I change any aromatic ring or any atom, what is the relation of that atom with the activity? For example, uh, this is a coumarin. Fine, I just draw right now. Sorry. Okay, now if I change, here we know there is a carbon. If I change this carbon with the nitrogen, what is the relation of that nitrogen with the activity? Fine. Now I replace the carbon with the nitrogen. This is the QSAR only. Today, I will tell you how you can derive the relation of one structure with the activity. For example, now I change oxygen with the sulfur. Maybe there is any kind, like in the SAR, generally we write down now, if I replace oxygen with the sulfur, the activity will be diminished. But in the QSAR, we can tell how much activity is diminished or how much activity is increased. We can discuss that also. Fine, that is the QSAR. Okay, this is fine. Now, okay, everything is fine. Now you know what is QSAR. Okay, in the what is a prerequisite requirement of the QSAR for the development of any QSAR, we need to have the different parameter. Today, I'll tell you very cheap method by which you can obtain the parameter and do their study with the help of one commercial software, but it is very user friendly. We'll discuss that in the next video. I'll discuss the open source web servers. With the help of that, you can also develop your QSAR, because even the commercial software also, they will provide you academic uh, software for the particular time period. As if you are the student, you can mention your student ID. If you are a teacher, you can mention your academic institute affiliations. They will provide you the license. I'll discuss one by one everything. Please do not skip the video in between. Fine. If you want to have a deep knowledge about the QSAR and deep knowledge about QSAR, please stick to the video. And if you have any notebook, that is good. If you write down the things, because if we write anything, we'll remember it. Otherwise, again and again, you have to open the video and check it. Okay, now, firstly, I need to tell you how you can obtain the different physicochemical parameter. For that, I need to delete it. Okay. Firstly, for example, this is the structure. Just select it. After that, you need to go to their objectives. Here you can for any kind of publication, we know that if we do any kind of study, we need to publish the paper also. For that, you have to do this setting, ACS. That is a acceptable setting for the paper. Fine. Okay. Now, side by side, I'll make you ready the things that will be ready for the paper publication. Fine. Even this is available. I have already communicated this paper. You can do by the new compound which you have designed, which you want to synthesize in the future. You can do the QSR for that. Okay. Go to the object. This is the yes. Go to the view. In the view, there are n number of things you can see from the top. Today we'll start with this analysis window. Analysis window, with the help of that, we can write down their molecular weight. You can, have you noticed? Earlier, this is a coumarin. After that, I replaced carbon with the nitrogen and oxygen with the sulfur. So this is the new compound. We need to write down its molecular weight also. We need to write down its M upon Z also. If you have any doubt with any term, please do mention in the comment box. After that, we need to mention their CHN analysis. Fine. This is all about the ABC of the thing. If we need to design a new compound, we need to have their prerequisite information about that drug that is available in the ChemDraw. So it's good to have a knowledge about that. Okay. Next is the chemical properties window. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, these are the chemical properties window. Or generally, we keep all these property in under the heading of physicochemical properties. Fine. But in this, as you know, we have to draw one by one every structure and compute their property. After that, you need to make the Excel sheet like this. I think it is visible. Wait. No. Yeah, I think now it is visible. I have already done one homework for you because the process is also time consuming. Otherwise, it's not so time consuming. We have to make one tab to the this camera, other tab to the Excel. After that, we have to write down this property on this Excel sheet. I have already write down like I have already number of structure whose we have already done their activity with against type first, type V1 and type V2. After that, these are their physical chemical properties. I just write down here. Yeah. Now, these all the physical chemical property that I have obtained from the camera only. Fine. There are two type of Camdro. One is a Camdro Ultra, other is a Camdro Pro. Fine. With the help of both, I just compute all these chemical property, physical chemical property. If you still have any doubt, if anything is not clear to you, please don't hesitate. Mention in the comment box. We will discuss it again. I will try to arrange live session for the undergrad student so that they can expertise in this field because it is the future of the chemistry. Nowadays, nobody will start with the conventional synthesis. Everyone, they start with the computational. We need to have a knowledge about the drug and their designing part. After that, we need to start with the synthesis. Fine. Okay, this is the done. After that, now I show you one more software that is the mini tab. It is a statistical software that is used for the development of the QSAR. In this video, I just tell you how you can use that statistical software to develop the QSAR. Yeah. This is, yeah. Okay. I think it is now visible on your screen. Yeah. This is a mini tab. This is a statistical software. In the next video, I'll discuss the different type of software, their commercial link. If the any source is open source or that is a free of cost software, I'll share their link. You can download it, take advantage of the things and write on the paper in the free time. Whenever you have free time, just write on something that is good for you. Personal development, personal growth is very required. Okay, now what I need to do? Firstly, I need to scrap the previous thing. Just delete it. Now, this is the Excel sheet. This one. This is the Excel sheet. Here, I have already determined the two type of activity. One is the Salmonella typhi 1 and other is the typhi 2. Now we compute the QSAR for the both activities. Fine, I just copied it up to total cannoli. Just copy it. After that, I need to paste it here. Yeah, paste. It will look like this. Fine. Oh, after that, it is very user friendly. You need to go in the stats. There is a regression. Firstly, we start with the regression, simple regression. After that, we will, in this video, I'll discuss two methods. One is a regression method, other is a stepwise multiple regression method. Regression, here I need to, for example, the type 1. After that, I need to choose their predictors. Start with the boiling point. After that, I need to keep one finger on the shift, then select it. Every predictor is selected. Now I need to go to the graph, regular, standardized, done. Then storage. What I need to store, you can mention whatever you want to have. Okay. Just okay. Then okay. Yeah. These are the results. Now we will see how much time it has taken. Only we spend the time by drawing a structure and by computing their physical property and just copy and paste it. After that, these things are very easy. In that, we need to do like the leave one, leave out method, by which we can use the by picking the drug. For example, the R square is not good. Now you can see here is a 90% of no, not so bad. 90 is quite good. So here we need to write down the equation only. But oh my God, equation is so big. This is the QSR equation. Okay. Relation of the activity with the different parameters. This is quite big. Now, next thing, I need to see which parameter is prominent, like which is the influential or which affect the activity the most. I need to choose them. What I need to do then, I need to go to the regression, and this predictor, I can choose only from here. I need to mention which what is generally now we do with the positive, like positive contributive physical chemical parameter only. Who has a positive effect on the activity will take that parameter only. Okay. We'll start with the one. We can use a molecular topological index, then shape attribute, then the uh, yeah, 3 is fine. Now we start with the 3. Only we need to choose it. We can have this also. So that shape attribute. Okay. Oh, good. But now R square is less. This is a quite lengthy exercise. I'll do it when I have a result. I'll share in the next video. The question is quite short, but R square is not good. Again, I need to do the leave one, leave out. Fine, I'll discuss that. This QSAR, that is for the type 2 only. Now I do with the type 1. Rest thing would be same. Yeah, good. This is also good. 68.95. Like generally we need to take a R square that should be more than 5. 68 also is also fine. Again, we do the same exercise here. Generally, what I believe, I need to take care about the actives and inactives both. After that, I'll develop their QSAR. Fine. Okay. Now, this is the first method, that is the stepwise. Now we do the second one. Sorry, this is a regression method. Now we do stepwise regression method. Here, again, we need to choose a response. After that, we need to go to the predictor. This is the first predictor. After that, I need to go to the end one. This is the end one. Select. Okay. Here, now this is a stepwise method. And here we can choose one predictor which we feel this predictor is predictor is very important for the activity. We need to choose that one. Fine. For example, I feel that molar refractivity is quite important for possessing the anti salmonella typhi activity. So I choose that. Here I need to choose a method. Generally, I take F value only, alpha and alpha to enter, alpha to remove. That is both same. And F to remove, generally I write down it as 3.9. 3.9. Okay. Option. Here, number of alternative generally I write 1. Firstly, we start with the 1. If the result is not good, we start with the 1. Up to I write down up to 5. Good, not so bad. Quite good. R square is 76.91 and distance is 72.10. Very good. And now, what is the next thing I need to do? Firstly, I'll do their leave one, leave out thing. If I leave one compound, I need to check the effect of the parameter on the activity. Likewise. But after that, here I have chosen the 50 compound. But I need to validate the QSAR also. For that, I divide it with the 75 to 25. Fine. After the division, I do its validation. Fine. Validation we will do in the next video. For the any kind of queries or any kind of problem, you can mention in comment box. We will discuss in the next video. Thank you so much. Stay tuned to my channel. God bless. Happy learning.